1992 will be remembered as a year of results on and off the water for the Great Whisperer and her crew. Results which started with a monumental effort that some still look at and shake their heads in disbelief. Design and construction of an entirely new deck for a tartan hull some 20-odd years old. Determined to make their boat faster and safer by eliminating water weight in the aging deck, the crew began about their arduous task during the 1991-92 winter off-season. Using original design specs and duplicating construction materials, the crew labored for some 700 man-hours during a 2-month period. Professional estimates place the cost of such a job at around $20,000. With a shopping list that included 75 gallons of polyester resin, 1,400 square feet of triaxial fiberglass, 300 square feet of 3/4-inch Baltic balsa core, another 100 pounds of half-inch Baltic balsa core, thickening agents, microlight fairing compound, and 275 stainless steel mounting bolts, the crew brought the job in for around $3,500. What followed was a season that will surely go down as one of the most memorable in Great Whisper history. In a season that covered 950 racing miles, the Whisper took 22 out of a possible 30 award flags. During the 1992 Spring Series, the Whisper's competitors learned the hard way the fate that had been awaiting them under a blue plastic tarp for most of the winter. By the end of the first half of the season, the Whisper was on top of her entire class in the DRYA Perf C standings. The second half of the summer was literally a mirror image of the first half, with the Whisper again finishing first in her class in Perf C. Capturing several more first-class flags, the DRYA season culminated with the Whisper being named overall champions of Perf C for the season. Thrown in with all the Saturday races, the Whisper also claimed victories in the Windsor Yacht Club's Wednesday night series, the Great Lake Yacht Club's Fall Series, and went 4 for 4 against Fast Tango in the Detroit Sail Club's Tuesday night series, capturing the coveted Captain Morgan's Cup. But perhaps the most impressive feat for the Great Whisper was yet to occur. Emerging from the sleepy seafront town of Port Huron, Michigan in late July, some of the crew makes their predictions for the 1992 Port Huron to Mackinac race.
This is the thing we've been working for since the end of February. We got, 10 guys busted our nuts. This is the race. Last year, 2nd place, 10th overall. The year before that, 4th overall, 2nd place. This is our year.
We're going to eat dinner, we're going to go to bed, we're going to go fast, we're going to steer, we're going to reach through life.
Reach through life?
Go around the little ding, 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 ding bell.
Ding, ding, gates
go to
coming down.
Mackinac, blow the whistle a little, get a flag, get drunk on rum.
I think morale is way up there. The new deck is like making everyone pretty stoked. I think we're going to fucking win, actually.
As the start approaches, the Whisper crew remains focused, and control of the helm is handed over. The race continues, and night seems to blend into day, and the rest of the fleet seemingly disappears into the Lake Huron fog. 2 days after their shaky start in Port Huron, the fog lifts, and the Whisper beats her way to the finish line. Much to their satisfaction, some of those earlier predictions come true.
Easterly. Yeah! Easterly. Right there. Yeah! We got it!
At 1:35:35 p.m. on Monday, July 20th, the Great Whisper crossed the finish line at Mackinac to take first, beating its nearest competitor in per fee by over 50 minutes, finishing 11th overall in a fleet comprised of 171 boats. The rest, as they say, is history.
First place, the Great Whisper.
To my father, Warren Jones, I've skippered the boat 3 years. I've got 2 seconds and a first. This race is easy. What's your problem, pal? You're dead slow.